appearance. This is appearance. This appearance is just for you to design, style your question upon completion. I'm done with my questions. I just want to design it now. So you go to appearance, just as the name sounds. We have this blue. So now I can change it to this color depending on whatever you want. Blue. And we also have some background that are there already, like water. You can also edit the theme. Like now I pick this one, you can edit it, you can change, you can add image, you can add whatsoever thing you want. Background color, you can change it. The text color, you can change it, and you can just play around with everything. You can just play around with it. So let me make use of this one just to give it a plain bright color because we are working on water. So in anyone you pick, you can edit it, and you can use image. If you have any image that will go with your survey questions, you can also use that and upload that. And this option says thank you, your response was submitted successfully. So if you want people to see this option, you can just turn it on. So anytime people answer your question, as soon as they click the submit button, they will see thank you, your response was submitted successfully, and that is done. Then you save it. Then let's go back to our design. So this is the design. We are done. You can always preview it. Let's preview it to see how everything is. So this is telling us that when anybody open your survey question, your survey, this is what they will see. This is what they will see. So imagine I want to pick yes, I can go ahead and pick yes or no. Imagine. So that's how it works. Like this one that says what anyone, like select as all that apply. I can pick the three. You see, that's how it works. And we have this one that is select grid. Maybe I drink water every day or weekly, it's just going to pick one. Laundry, maybe I do laundry every month, or let's say I do my gardening or maybe just once in a while, really. And let's say I drink water every day too. So this is the way it's going to look like. And what is your primary purpose? This drop down option, all you need to do is pick one. So how much do you agree with my statements? I can pick agree, I can pick disagree, or strongly agree. So they can only pick one as well. And please rank the following water conservation practices based on their effectiveness in reducing water usage, with 1 being the most effective and 3 being the least effective. So you know that this is the way it is. All I need to do from my own end as a respondent, because this is what the respondents will see. I can pick this one as being 1. You see, it reorder it. I can pick this as being 2, and it's going to reorder it. All I need to do is, and if I want to make this as 1, I need to just take it off. And for this one, you can zoom in, and if you know it by name, you can type the address there, Greenville or ECU, and that's it. And I'll click it, and it is there. If you create a survey, this is the same way your respondents will be able to pick a point on the map. It's either by typing it, or if you know the address, you can just figure it out on the map and click on it. And if I have a picture I want to load, all I need to do is go to my image and pick one picture. This is a fountain in ECU. I can just pick one picture. And what is your recommendation for water conservation? Then you type in your response. So you can type in anything, and this rates your learning experience with ArcGIS Survey 1 to 3, I can rate it to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So depending on anything. And once I submit it, it's going to give me the, so because this is a preview mode, it says submission button does not work in preview mode, but as soon as they are done, they'll be able to submit it. This preview mode is just to let you see that this is the way the respondents will be able to pick the answers. And we can, if you are looking at this thing, this says desktop mode, this says phone, and this is tablet. That is to say, any survey you create, once it's created, it can be viewed on desktop, it can be viewed on the phone, and it can be viewed using your tablet. So this is the desktop mode. Assuming I want to view it on phone, if I click phone, this is the way I'm going to be seeing it on my phone. You see that? This is the way it's going to be viewed on my phone. And if I'm using tablet, this, if I click on tablet, this is what the person using tablet will be seeing too. So do we see the difference? Phone mode, this is what you see, because you can make use of it on your desktop, on your phone, and on your tablet. So it's not restricted to desktop only. Once I'm done with my review, all I need to do is click this cancel button that says close preview. Everything is okay. All I need to do is close the preview. I'm back here. And once you are done with your preview, then you can publish. And it's publishing. Now that I've published myself, I want to make use of this collaborate. What does this collaborate mean? It helps us to show those people you can share your survey with, who can submit to this survey. I want you to make it everyone, that everyone that have access to this survey, they can submit it. So that is what this share survey means. And you can always open it on any browser directly. Share results. I want the result to be shared to member of my organization only. When you create your survey and you want the results to be shared to you, you can pick yourself too as well. Because I'm working with an organization, that's why I have this. Who can view the results? If you want to make it publicly, no problem, you can public can also view the result. So this is all I need for my share survey. And make sure to save. Then you can click this to share it. This is the share button. So it's either you copy this link, let me copy this link, this URL, or you download this QR code. So if you download this QR code, you can send it to anyone that have access to it will be able to answer it and submit the question. That is all about ArcGIS Survey 1 to 3. This is our question. It has been published and you can share it using this QR code and this link. So now I'm going to click this link because we are done with this survey. Now I'm going to click this link and open it up in another web browser, and this is my survey. This is my survey right here. So let me answer this survey first. I'm picking that, and let me look at my rating, and once I submit, thank you, your response was submitted successfully.